Right. Welcome to my class, everybody. This course is UI technologies. What is that? This course is UI technologies. So in this course, what I'm going to discuss is what are the technologies I'm going to discuss is HTML version 5, CSS version 3, JavaScript, all the latest things also I will tell you, no need to worry, jQuery and Bootstrap 4. These are the technologies I'm going to discuss in this class, in this course. These are the 5 technologies. And before learning this course, do you have any prerequisites? No need to have any prerequisites. Just basic computer operation. How to start the computer, how to save any file. That basic fundamentals is required. That's it. Understanding, right? So this is not, there is no necessity for any prerequisites. If you have any other language knowledge, it's okay. That is not a disadvantage. But if you don't have any knowledge also, that is not a problem. Easily you can understand it. Clear it, everybody? There is no prerequisites. Why? Because this is the stepping stone for the software industry. Okay, this is a stepping stone for the software industry. Clear it, everybody? Kindly respond. HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, jQuery, and Bootstrap. There is no prerequisites are required. Okay, right. So what is this class today? Today only introduction can be possible because this is the starting of the batch, right? So in the starting class, as you know, only introduction can be possible. So before going to the introduction, I will introduce myself. My name is Ramesh. I have 13 plus years of experience as a web developer and a trainer. Okay, right. Now what can be possible? UI introduction. So UI introduction. So introduction. So if you are walking in the Amirpet streets or else any software industry streets, you will see something like this: software industry training institute streets, UX/UI. Right? Have you ever observed or not? At least one person respond. UX/UI also somebody will keep in their boards, in their flexes also. Please respond. I don't like silence. Say yes or no. Have you observed or not? Hello. Unmute yourself and please speak. What about us? Only Nitesh is responding. Shobham is there. Mansoor Ali is there. And others also. Who is this? Thiru Reddy is there. Please respond. Have you observed or not?
Yes.
Right. So then what is UX? What is UI? And what is the difference between them? As per your knowledge, you can respond. What is UX and what is UI? What is the difference between them, or else both are same, or else both are different? If they are different, what is the difference between them? Any idea? Okay, Thiru, right. So now see here, UX. What is UX stand for is user experience. What is that? User experience. Yeah, perfect. User experience. Okay, right. Then after UI stands for user interface. UI stands for user interface. They both are different. They are not same. They both are different. But UI depends upon UX only. They have a relation, like you and your brother. You both have very strong relation, but you both are finally two individual persons. Right, everybody? Respond, please. Or else like you and your father also. You both are very strong relation. You both have very strong relation. But however, you both are two individual people. Like that, UX and UI also. They have a relation, but both are different. Okay. So coming to this UX, this is graphical part. This is graphical part. UI is programmatical part. Okay, right. So UX is not included in our course. Only this UI related things only included. But little bit knowledge I'm sharing with you. I want to share with you. Okay, what is UX and what is UI? What is the necessity for UI? Okay, right. So That purpose, if you want to know the importance of the UX designers means we need to know how software industry functions also. We need to know how software industry functions also. So in every software company, there will be some departments will be there. What are those? Sales department. What is that, everybody? Sales department. Then after, business department. Okay. Then after, HR department. Okay. And then after, technical department. Okay. And then after, CEOs, project manager. Okay. Those will be there. CEOs, CFOs. Okay. Forget about them. Okay. Right. And especially, what is the sales department will do? Okay, I will explain this as a technical department who will contain what this technical department will contain, everything I will tell you. So first of all, we'll go for one by one. Sales department. This department is main to get project for the software industry. Understanding my point? This sales department is main to get project for the software industry. That means your company. What they will do? They will promote our company also, of course. That is SEO person's department also. So there will be other department also there. Technical department, the RS SEO department. What is it, everybody? SEO digital marketing. What is it, everybody? Digital marketing. So these persons will promote our application about our company in the internet, through in the Google also, in the Facebook, YouTube, whatever it may be, they will try to promote. Okay. Then interaction with the client and closes society. Yes, Nitesh. Okay, right. Then after, what happens? This sales department people will get some inquiries. Suppose some other user is there. His name is Mahesh. So he wants to develop an application. So he don't know how to develop that application. What he will do? He will search for the software company. So like that, he will search something in the Google and they will find some companies websites and they will send some inquiry. So my name is Mahesh, my email is this thing, my phone number is this thing, and I want to application. Okay, I want to develop an application, this type of application I want. Like that, he will send some inquiry. So that what happens? This sales department persons will take care of, okay, will get the details. Okay, then after they will call to that inquiry person. Okay, we can call generally as lead. Okay, lead. Suppose you are also leads to me in this class. Okay, whenever you make payment, then only you will become my students. Till then you are just leads for me. Okay, like the same way, because you are inquiring. Okay, when the batch is starting, does he teaching very well or not? All those things what are doing, you are inquiring. Okay, so till then, up to making payment, you will be my leads only. Like that, whoever inquired, that persons will be leads only, they are not clients. Understanding difference between lead and client? Respond, everybody. Hello. Okay, right. So he just lead. So then after, they will make a call to that lead and they will explain about the how our company functions, what are the applications they have developed, so who is our clients, okay, or what is the good feedback we got, all those positive things they will explain to the client. Okay, they should have some good communication skills also. Okay, right. Then after, this sales department person will forward that lead data, if he is interested, to the business department. Why? Because they are not aware of business requirements. They only aware of project construction. Okay, project, that means how much it will cost, all those things, or else interacting with the client only, that much only they know. They don't know how to develop an application. So then they will forward that lead details to the business department. So who will be in this business department? Who will be in this business department? Okay, who will be in this business department? business analyst. Who is this? Business analyst. BA we can call. Okay, business analyst. Or else some other persons also will be there. BDO, business development officer, or else business development manager, something like that. They are very experienced persons. Okay, so this business analyst, what he will do, he will speak with the client. Some clients they have some clear knowledge what type of application they want. Some clients they don't have any knowledge, just they have some basic knowledge only. Okay, so that they will ask for any reference. Sir, what type of application you want? Do you have any reference websites like that? So if the client has any reference websites, he needs to, that business analyst will go through that applications. Why? What purpose? To gather the requirements. Understand it, everybody? Yeah, requirements. Yeah, perfect, Nitesh. Okay, he will gather some requirements. If the client has some pure knowledge, he will give that requirements. Or else, the business analyst has to gather the requirements, and finally he has to conclude. He has to convince, or else he has to explain whatever the possible way. He has to conclude the requirements. Okay, this type of application I want, something like that. Okay, right. If that application that the client is very interested, if he wants to develop in multiple ways, then he will take help from the BD or BDM also. Okay, but if he want only application level, only that requirements, he will speak with the business analyst only, and the business analyst will be responsible for the business requirements gathering. Okay, understanding this point? What is the role of this business analyst? Shubham, you are not responding. Mansur Ali, you are not responding from the starting. Please respond. Thiru is responding and Nitesh is responding. What about others? Respond, Shubham, you are muted. Mansur Ali, you are muted. Say yes or no, understanding or not? Mansur, I'm not getting your audio. Check your audio connection once, mic once.
Yes, I'm getting.
Yeah, right.
Yes, I'm getting.
Right. So business analyst is the responsible for the business requirements. Okay, see, whenever application making, not only programmers, this business analyst also is the responsible for the application development. Why? He has to tell clear requirements. Okay, right. So suppose I told you to go to some place. So I need to tell, right, which place you need to go, okay, whom you will need to meet, and what you need to speak. All those things I need to explain or not? Respond, everybody. All those things I need to explain or not? Suppose I told you to go to Delhi, so directly will go, or else I need to tell the personal things. So go to this bookshop, find this book and buy it, and please give it to me. That type of instructions I need to give it or not? Respond. So what is that instructions? Requirements only. By using that requirements only, other persons will get some idea, like that programmers, what to develop, for what purpose they need to program. All those things depends upon the requirements. Requirements is the fuel in business application. You know, bike rides. So without fuel, can we ride the bike? No. So fuel is very, very important. Okay, in the same way, requirements of the fuel. Then only we are able to program. Okay, so this business analyst is the responsible for that requirements. So once the requirements is finalized, once yeah, Pawan, you want to ask anything? Right. Once the requirements is finalized, then thereafter they will conduct a meeting with the technical department. Okay, so before that, before conducting that meeting, what they will do, this business analyst will send that requirements documents to the technical department. So how many technical departments will be there? How many technical department persons will be there? How many technical departments will be there? There will be multiple. One is WAD, Web Application Development. Okay, another one is MAD. That means not mad people, mobile application development. Okay, MAD. And then after testing department. Then after testing department. Clear it everybody? Understanding or not? So this is the department will be there for the application purpose. Clear or not? Respond everybody. Okay, right. For all those persons, head will be project manager. Understanding my point? For all these persons, head will be project manager. Project manager. Okay, right. For all these persons, head will be project manager. So this business analyst and every department there will be different teams, and whoever part of that application, that particular team that has a team leader also. So this business analyst and this web application development team leader and senior employee, mobile application development team leader and senior employee, and the testing department team leader and senior employee, and this project manager. All these people sit in a room. Why? After reading the business requirements, why they will say it? Definitely not to drink tea and chai biscuits. Understanding? That is not the criteria. For what purpose? Their main agenda is 2 points. One is the deadline. Yeah, they need to require about the requirements. Okay, right. And finally, the goal is to finalize the deadline, at least for a single module or else for entire application. That depends upon the application size. Okay, and then after, how many persons are required for each and every department? Web application development, how many persons are required? Mobile application department, how many persons are required? Testing department, how many people are required? Like that. Okay, so that is finalize the human resource. Okay, so then after, what they will do? They will finalize the team size for each and every department, and they will finalize the, please put yourself on, right, they will finalize the deadline for the application or else at least a single module. First of all, they need to finalize the deadline of the entire application. Then only they will make into modules, and they will finalize the module deadline also. Okay, right. Up to here, this is the agenda. And then after, what they will do? All those things they will forward to the sales department. Okay, so they will finalize the price. Depends upon the persons they are using, depends upon the efforts they are keeping. Okay, and depends upon the team size, and depends upon the requirement, and depends upon calculation and everything. They will finalize the price of the application. Okay, and they will finalize the deadline of the application, and they will finalize the deadline of a single module also. If everything is fine with that price and application cost and okay, and deadline and module deadline and everything, then lead will ask to start the work, and he need to send some money, not entire thing, very just confidence purpose, he will send only little bit money only, and application will start. This is the process to start the application. Up to here it is clear. Respond everybody. Mansoor Ali, Nitesh, Pavan, Shubham, Sri Reddy, and everybody respond confidently. Say yes or no finally. Okay, right. So then after, what is the thing we need to do? So they will release some money, right? So then that lead is becoming the client. Why? He has released some money, so he will be our client. So after that, okay, this in this web application department only there will be UX also, UI also, and PHP developers, Java developers, .NET, whatever it may be. All the departments are included, combining all of things called as web application development. And Java, .NET, they will be part of desktop application development also. Okay, right. And MAD, mobile application development, Android developers, iOS developers, hybrid application developers, like that. Testing, manual testing department, or else mission testing, that means programmatically, Selenium, QTP, something like that departments also will be there. Okay, right. So whatever it may be, finally they are sending the requirements, right? So after gathering the requirements in the UI department, who will start the work? UX designer will start the work first. Understanding? So that UX designer has to have more common sense. Okay, they need to convert the requirements into application format. Understanding my point? They need to convert that mobile application, business requirements into application format. Application format means what? Where we need to keep header. What that header should contain. What that header should contain the icons. What are the appropriate logo? What are the appropriate colors? How many colors are required? And what are the icons that application requires? And what is suitable icons for which criteria? And where we need to place that places, menu where we need to keep, products where we need to keep, product details where we need to keep, reviews where he needs to keep, okay, social media promotion related things where we need to keep, okay, all those things he has to get some clear idea. Understanding it, everybody? Respond please. Okay, right. Not directly templates, Thiru, not directly templates, wireframe. So after getting that idea, he will first design the wireframe. What is that? Wireframe. Wireframe means planning for our application. Wireframe means planning for our application. What is the planning? I will display it for you. For example, see there. Suppose you want to construct a home. Okay, directly you will order bricks and cement and directly you will construct them, or else you will write a plan, you will design a plan. Respond everybody. Respond please. You want to construct a home directly, yeah. Respond everybody. Okay, directly will order the cement, concrete daily. Today one brick, tomorrow two bricks, then after 10 bricks, then after one cement pack, then after 10 cement packs, like that. Or else, first of all, we will design a plan. We will design a plan like that. Whenever they want to develop an application, also they should have a plan. That plan directly they don't design web page. They will design in a graphical tool, graphical software. Why? Because that is very easy to modify. If any requirements changes are there, or else if any modifications are there, it is very easy to modify. So that's why we need to go for, okay, wireframes. What is this? Is it wireframe? Wireframe means what? Plan of the application. See it? See it, everybody? Coming right, everyone? Hello. Say this is the logo, this is the plan. So this is the header part, this is the menu part on set area also, and this is the food part, products part. Okay, right, and this is the reviews part, and this is the footer part like this. And then after, see it, and again this is dividing this header into two sections, left side and right side. Clear it, everybody? Left side and right side. Okay, logo, then after notification icons, then after the slider, above that horizontally center, see it, trace is also exactly in the center, so it is horizontally centered, and from the top it has a space, and then after there is a search box, touching to that, okay, there is a menu 1, menu 2, menu 3 and menu 4. Okay, everybody, and then after there is a products, and we are displaying 4 columns for each and every row. Understanding at my point? For every column we are displaying, okay, 4 columns for a row, and then after there is a heading, trending food, then after best offers there is also 4 columns, then after reviews, for review slide we are for review we are displaying only 2 users, and this is the username area, and this is the user profile, and this is the description. And then after again they are dividing vertically into 2 parts. Bottom of the application is copyright, and again they are developing 3 parts horizontally, left side, center, right. So left side logo, okay, again and then after little bit about us, and then after in between subscription, and then after get in touch, social media icons. Clear it everyone? Kindly respond. Hello. Okay, right. Social media icons. Okay, so first of all, he will send this plan to the client. So if the client is satisfied with this plan, okay, if the client is satisfied with this plan, see, some clients can understand the plan, some clients they doesn't understand also. So what they will ask, so don't do any wireframe, please directly make the markup. Of course, if he understand also, directly he will ask for the markup. Okay, right. Then what is markup? Nothing but a brochure we can call in real world. That means suppose you are not constructing a home, you want to purchase a already inbuilt home. That means you want to purchase from a realtor, new building only, but you want to purchase from a realtor. So that because okay, you want to purchase a home in a good area which is near to your kids school, where is parks are available, where is some movie theaters are available, in that area you want to take a home. So okay, and some nice, already some nice buildings are constructing. So what are you doing? Still entire things is not completed, only plastering is completed, or else something is constructing also. So what you like? Only that area, because shopping complexes are near, movie theaters are near, schools also near, vegetable market also near. Okay, and everything is near for you. Your office also at least only 5 kilometers only away. So you choose that particular place only. So however you want to purchase a home in that area, so what you will do, though the construction is completed or not, you will try to book a flat, right? Everybody respond. You will try to book a flat or not? Respond if you like the area. Respond please everybody. Right. So then what happens, whenever you want to purchase a flat, of course you are not by blindly you don't purchase it. So what you will do, you will ask for the plan. After understanding the plan, what you will ask? Brochure. After completion of this building, after completion of this my flat, how my flat will look like? Where is the hall? Where is the kitchen? Where is the bedroom? Where is the bathroom? Where is the balcony? So, okay, how much space it has? All those things you will ask for a brochure or not? Respond everyone. You will ask for a brochure or not before purchasing it? Yeah, brochure is nothing but design, right? So that what he will display outside of the home, how it will look like. After entering the home, each and every area, how it will look like, how much space it is, how to design it, all those things. That plans also he will explain manually, or else he will keep some sofas. This is the best way to align your assets. And where the kitchen will come, where puja gadi will come, sorry, where puja room will come, okay, where washrooms will come, where bedrooms will come, where cupboards will come, all those things he will keep it in a brochure. Okay, if you are feeling interesting that home, then only you will purchase it, right? Everybody respond everyone. Am I clear, correct or not? Respond kindly. Right. In the same way, okay, after planning is, if the client is okay with this plan, then he will ask us for to create a brochure, nothing but in application level markups. What is markup? Exact plan and exact images in that plan. Okay, exact images in that particular plan. Now see it. Exact images in the exact places. Simply we can tell. See it everybody, header part, logo and orange color, 4 icons, and this is a background image, horizontally center. From the top it has a bar, space and search bar, under this menu, touching it, okay, and trending food, 4 columns only, and by default it is displaying here only 2 sections. What is that? Item name and restaurant name. But whenever you over, it is displaying 4 items, 4 things. What is that? Item name, restaurant name, price, and order now button, and best offers, and then after reviews area and photo section. Clear it everybody? Respond. Okay, this is called a markup. Markup means exact images in the exact places. By seeing this, he will get an idea. And if you observe here, using some appropriate icons. By seeing this icon, what we need to understand? Respond everybody. By seeing this icon, what we need to understand? Okay, here if you click address, location. If you want to book a table, you need to click here. If you want to see any price related things, or else if if that application is offering any valid, that related things, you can check it here. If you want to register also, login also, this is the user icon. You must click here. And if you observe here, he is using here magnifying icon. Why? By using magnifier, what we will do? We will search deeper. Okay, we are where it is. Suppose you lost something. Okay, what you will do? Sometimes you will use magnifying tool also. If that is if that instrument, if that thing is very small, so that it will zoom. And that means it will display each and everything. Like that, here also it will display each and everything related to our application. So that's why they are keeping here magnifying icon. Understand, right? And see that he is using here biryani icon, starters, strawberry icon, drinks, okay, some milkshake icon. Milkshake related glass and bouquet table. And if you observe here, all the icons are representing the purpose or not? Respond everybody. Respond please. So this is called user experience. By seeing this icon, we will experience something. By seeing this application, we will experience something. For example, mobile phone. Some parents are educated, some parents are not educated. They are illiterate. But however, in these days, at least basic phone is mandatory. So in that case, you want to educate your parents. What you will do? Just how to operate the mobile. How to operate means how to speak in phone. After speaking, how to cut that phone. See, this is the basic fundamental thing. What you will tell? You don't explain entire phone functionality. How we will dial, what happens suddenly, all those things. Simply what you will tell, whenever phone rings, click on the green icon. Whenever you want to completed your conversation, click on the red button. Right? Respond everyone. We educate in this manner or not? Green and red buttons. So that what happens? By using that icons and by using that colors, that everybody can experience something. So just because of that icons, we can explain the functionality also. So that is the importance of the icons. That is not just dummy things. We need to choose appropriate icons. For example, see their main course. Suppose you are also joining in a course today, UI technologies. So can I keep here book anything, or else any material, or else any Java book, or else PHP book, like that in the place of main course? Respond everybody. No. Why? That is not fulfill our requirement. This is restaurant app. Okay, not any education related thing. So we must use here any biryani items related things only we need to keep here. Okay, and starters. See that he is not displaying any kick starting of the bike, that type of things. He is displaying here. Okay, displaying here what? Strawberry. So nobody eat kilos and kilos of strawberries. Okay, 5 to 10 strawberries they will use. That means starters only. Drinks. See other hot drinks also there. This is only restaurant, not bar and restaurant. That's why they are not keeping here beer or whiskey bottles. Okay, they are also drinks, but that is not our criteria. What is this? This is a restaurant app. So we need to keep here milkshake related glasses only. Understand my point? And then after bouquet table, in our classes also, in our colleges also, we have a table, but they are not displaying here any college related tables. They are displaying here any restaurant related only. Why? Because this is a restaurant application. Clear or not? Respond everybody kindly. So that UX designer, he should have a clear idea what type of icons he should choose. Clear it everybody? Right. So after choosing this, what we need to do? Okay, suppose I want to search anything. Can I search anything here? Respond everybody. Can I search anything here? In this image, can I search anything? Respond please. No. Okay, so that what he will do, he will say, he will send this to the client. But client also cannot search anything. So but he can, what he can do, if he is satisfied with this, then he will ask us to convert that into a web page. So to convert this into a this image into a web page, we need to use this HTML5 and CSS3 technologies. And to make that web page responsive, we need to use this Bootstrap 4 technology. That means a framework. Later I will discuss, okay, step by step. Okay, to convert that image into a web page, we need to use HTML5 and CSS3. So now observe here. So web page always opens in the browser itself. See it now? Same designing or not? Logo, icons, location, bouquet table, coins, user login and sign up, menu, search, you can search here. See it? Now here I can search. Of course, retrieving data is a server-side programmer's purpose, but user can type here. And then after he can click here. And then after see it, whenever you hover, it is zooming. And here it is transparent, but whenever it is hovering, it is white color. And see it, whenever you hover, it is changing the color. And see it now, reviews. And then after copyright and social media icons. Getting or not? Respond everybody. Respond everyone. Right. So this is a web page. Then what is a web page can be called user interface. Not only user interface, UX and UI. A web page is nothing but combination of UX and UI. See, this is the UI because I can interact. And this is also UI. I can experience and I can click. Clicking means you are interacting. Seeing means experiencing. So web page is nothing but combination of UX and UI. Clear it everybody? It will contain pure icons also. By using that icons, we can interact also, and through this we can type and we can interact with our application also. User interface stands for user interactivity. By filling the data, by clicking, by hovering, and everything. User experience means by seeing something, he will experience something. That's it. Okay, just because of seeing some icons, that comes under user experience. Clear it everybody? So this is about this UX and UI. And so there is only 5 to 10 minutes, right, time. So in this course, what is the template we are going to design? Okay, not this template, this is not responsive, just for understanding purpose I'm telling it. And in this course, what is the template we are going to design is this template. What I will teach in this course, somebody will get some doubt, right? Does he tell anything or something like that? See it, this is the template we are going to design. This is third party font. This is not regular CSS3 font. This is third party font. That means I will tell you how to utilize the third party fonts also. And this is responsive. And if you observe here, these icons, this is not images, they are third party icons, font awesome icons. That means I will tell you how to utilize the font awesome icons also, third party icons also. And then after, see it, whenever you are scrolling, this image is moving. Respond kindly. Is this image is moving? Hello? Image I'm asking Thiru. I'm asking about this image. This image. It is not moving. So this is called parallax effect. That is also I will tell you how to do it. And then after this projects. And this one, social media icons. These are also third party tools. That is also I will tell you. And a slider by using Bootstrap. Of course, image sizes are not same. That's why it is coming zigzag order. But in real time, they will give some equal size images so that they will come clearly. And then after footer, a form, and how to integrate our office related map in our application. That is also I will tell you, pure real time. And this is responsive. For example, observe there, I am decreasing the size. Are you able to see the complete menu now? Previously, are you able to see the complete menu? But are you able to see the menu now? Respond everybody. No, but you are seeing the menu icon. Whenever you click, the menu is coming. That's it. And whenever you observe here, this is also reducing. And previously displayed 4 columns per row, but now only 2 columns per row. And button size also increased comparatively previous. See it. Observe this size. and this size. And again, if you decrease, see it still vector size is increasing and they are coming one by one. And if you observe here, this image is coming one by one. And whenever you increase, still they are coming one by one, but now it is coming 2 columns per row. See it, everybody. Still, if you increase, they will come side by side. See it now? Coming right, everybody. And whenever you decrease again, see they are coming 3 columns per row, but still if you decrease in the smartphones, they are coming 2 columns per row, this projects area. And team section, they are coming one by one only. But if you increase, still it is increasing. See it, now they are coming for 3 columns per row. And social media icons also. And slide also adjusting. In the same way, this photo also. See it, everybody? Adjusting or not? Respond please. Now they are coming one by one. So according to the depends upon the device size and the browser size, our web page is manipulating or not its sizes. Respond everyone. Adjusting its alignment or not. So this is called responsive designing. So this beautiful template we are going to design in the last. Clear it, everyone? How much practical I will teach you? And not only this, I will teach and everything very practically. See it. Transform properties. Skew, scale. See it. Whenever you hover, it is coming like this, like MasterCard effect. Okay. Not only this, translate example. See it, which is very important. And whenever you hover, a overlay is coming, something is coming. See it. How to display a background image and how to make a transparent colors. How to display multiple colors. That is also I will tell you in this class. Okay. Not only this. See it. Positions are very, very crucial. See it, everybody. I will take minimum 2 to 3 classes. More than 3 classes also I will take for the only positions. Why? My student should perfect with the positions. If you are able to do the positions work, 70% of the CSS you can do it. Remaining 20% is adjusting the spaces. Remaining 10% is only small property related to CSS. That's what. Okay, see it. Overlay. Okay. Top to bottom, bottom to top, and everything. And see it, image overlay example, image overlay also. And a lift door. See it, by default it is transparent, but whenever you hover, see, you know, like lifter. Whenever lifter arrived, it is closed. But after some time, the left door will go to left side, right door will go to right side, like this. Clear it, everybody? Here also I have used the transparent colors. Respond, everybody, understanding or not? Right, and then after this thing, car example. See it, whenever you hover, it is coming like this, and whenever you hover on here, it is zooming without disturbing this. That is also very important. And then after animation, see that? Okay, this is the multiple colors, gradient colors, not only single background color, gradient colors also I will teach you. These are all pure CSS3. Okay, position fixed. See it, whenever I'm scrolling, is the menu is moving? Respond, everybody. Whenever I'm scrolling down, is the menu is moving? Respond, everybody. No, this is called position fixed. And then after position sticky, observe here. Now I am scrolling, the menu is moving or not? Respond, everyone. Menu is moving or not? Yes. But once it touches the viewport, observe here. Once it touches the viewport here, top position, is it moving now? Is it moving now, menu? No, this is called sticky positions. Pure real time or not? Have you ever observed or not? Okay, right. Not only the pseudo selectors, and see it, rainbow. By using HTML and CSS, I have made this rainbow. Okay, everybody? Right. And everything I will tell with practical knowledge only. Difference between inline block elements, visibility none and display none, interview questions also, and box sizing, box shadow, everything. Understand my point? Not only HTML and CSS, JavaScript and jQuery also, full-fledged knowledge, real-time knowledge I will give you. Sir, will you also teach Ajax and JSON? See, Ajax and JSON is not a big topic. Yes, I will teach. In the last, I will teach you. Okay, they are just techniques only. Okay, right. Okay, Pawan, I will teach clear knowledge. I will give you clear knowledge also. Okay, right. I will tell you that. After completion of JavaScript on jQuery only, you will understand that Ajax and JSON. Okay, definitely I will tell you that. Is this point clear, everybody, what I am teaching in these classes? And observe here in JavaScript also, async and await. Okay, and array methods. And not only this, cookies, local storage and session storage, map method, filter method. Okay, and get elements by class name, tag name. Okay, hoisting, inner text and inner HTML, keyboard events, mouse events, local storage, map method, see it, objects, query select all and promises, set timeout, clear timeout, set timeout and a clear timeout, set interval, clear interval, session storage, see it. All these latest topics I will cover with clear knowledge. jQuery also, DOM traversing methods and everything. Clear it, everybody? Observe here, accordion menu. This is also pure jQuery. This type of things. By using jQuery, I done this. Clear it, everybody? Respond. This is the practical examples I will tell you. Understanding or not? Okay. Everybody displays the course content, but directly I am displaying the course content along with examples. And one more thing I want to confirm you, I don't have any pre-written material. Whatever the notes is required, I will give it in the class. Every file will contain the notes also. Okay. After making payment, I will share the videos with everybody and class files also. Files will contain the notes also. Files are downloadable, but videos are not downloadable. Videos only watchable. That is also I will share with you after making payment. Okay, everybody. On Monday to Friday only classes, daily same time 9 to 10. Could you please share learning path of different technologies? See, that is different courses, Thiru, but whatever the knowledge you are getting in the JavaScript and jQuery in my classes, those will be useful to learn React.js, Angular and Node.js also. Okay, right.
Sir, is it a prerequisite for the other technologies? Like, because I'm hearing a lot of names actually, like React.js, AngularJS, MainStack.
Right.
Like
This
so
is
many.
this is the see, this is the basic stone. This is the basic
Okay.
step to learn the technologies. Okay, React.js
Okay.
also, MainStack also, Node.js also, Express.js also. This JavaScript knowledge is mandatory. So whatever JavaScript you are learning from me, those knowledge will definitely helpful for you to learn those technologies also. Okay, Thiru. Not only for
Okay.
Thiru, everybody else. Okay, right. Definitely you will be benefited. Okay. So that's it, everyone. This is the class for today. One more time telling, I don't have any material notes. I will share with the everybody through files. Okay, and a daily 1 hour class, Monday to Friday only classes, Saturday, Sunday holiday. Okay, right. Thank you, everyone.
So,
This is the class for
what is the
today.
duration, sir? Duration for this
Definitely
course
will be 2 months. 2 months easily
and
because 5
course
technologies,
fee?
correct? Our online team will discuss with you. Okay, so I will
Okay,
give you
fine.
that number.
Fine.
Uh,
Okay.
I will give you that number. For everybody. Okay, take that number and you can contact them regarding payment and everything. Okay, right. So clear it, everyone. Hope you got some knowledge in this course, in this class, right? Everybody respond, got some knowledge or not?
Sir, yeah.
Right, right. Thank you, everyone. Meet tomorrow and we'll continue. Okay, yes, thank you, everybody. Thanks for your feedback. Meet tomorrow and we'll continue. Okay, bye, everyone. Right, thank you very much. Yeah, in the last class we have discussed about what are the prerequisites. So actually there is no prerequisites to learn this course. Basic computer knowledge is enough. Then after introduction to UX and UI. Okay, what is the difference between UX and UI? How our application will start? All those things. Nothing related to subject we have discussed it. Okay, right. So now today class we are going to do some introduction. Okay, of the technologies. Right. So before going to that, for the new students purpose, I will introduce myself. My name is Ramesh. I have 30 plus years of experience as a web developer and a trainer. So here I'm very practical trainer. I will teach everything with practical examples. Okay. And I don't have any pre-written material. Whatever the notes is required, definitely I will give it in the class. Okay. Monday to Friday only classes. Okay. Saturday, Sunday holiday. Daily 1 hour class. Okay. 9 to 10, same timing. Okay, everybody. Right. Clear it, everybody? Yes. Duration will be 2 months to 2.5 months because there is 5 technologies, right? HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, and Bootstrap. Okay, right. So this is the technologies I will teach. So minimum it will take 2 months to 2.5 months. A template will do in the last Mohiti. Okay, a template will do. So that means a responsive web page will design in the last. Okay, right. By using HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. Clear it, everybody? Hello. Right. So now I'm going to continue the class. Right. Yesterday we have discussed about UX and UI. So UX and UI, most of the people will think both are same, but actually they are different, but they have a relation. Okay, both are different, but they have a relation. Like you and your father, see, you have a strong relation with your father, but finally you are in two opposite persons. Sorry, you are two individual persons. You and your father is two individual persons. Like that, UX and UI both are individual terms and individual things, but they have a relation. Okay, so UX stands for user experience, UI stands for user interface. User experience means by seeing our application, what user can experience. Okay, by seeing our application, what user will experience in our application. User interface means how user can interact with our application. How user interface means how user can interact with our application. Clear it, everybody? User experience means what user can experience in our application. User interface means how user can interact with our application. So how we can interact? By clicking on something, by hovering on something, by scrolling up, scrolling down, or else by clicking on something, by typing. So what he is doing, he is interacting with our application. Clear it, everybody? So by using user interface, we can provide interact with the user. User experience means what user can experience. For example, right, if you observe here, Amazon.in, see it, everybody. By seeing this icon, you will experience something. Okay, here you will find. Okay, here we will find some address related thing, something like that. Okay, everybody. And if you observe here, this is a logo. But if you observe this logo clearly, A and Z, A to Z. So you will experience something. So here you will get A to Z. He is directly and indirectly also telling. In this Amazon, you will get A to Z like that. Understanding, right? And you are seeing these icons, right? By seeing this, what you are experiencing. Okay, in order to get this next, we need to click here. In order to get previous, we need to click here. He is not writing anything. Click here to see previous image, click here to see backward next image, like that. By seeing these icons, we are experiencing or not. Respond, everybody, especially new students, today attending students. Asis, Mohiddin. What is your name? Mohiddin only or else Muhammad? Mohayn is there. Mohiddin only or Muhammad? May I know your name, complete name? Muhammad, okay. Right. Asis, you understanding? You are not responding, Asis? Unmute yourself and you can respond. Asis. Thank you, Muhammad. Right. See it? By seeing these icons, what we are experiencing, okay, we can click so that we will go to the previous image. By clicking here, we can go to the next image. Like that, we are experiencing. Understand it, everybody? So this is the icons they are providing here. Clear, right? For example, if you go to any other application, okay, so you will find some other icons. Okay, you will find some other icons. So by seeing that, what you will do, you will experience something. For example, you want to educate your father or his mother, your parents. They are illiterate. That means they don't know how to operate a mobile. So, but no need to explain everything. How how mobile phone works, all those things. Simply what you will do, whenever phone rings, click on the green button. Whenever you want to close the conversation, click on the red button. Like that, you will educate or not? Respond, everybody. Respond, please. Hello. If you want it, okay. So what you will, what are you doing there? So Everybody experience something by seeing red, green, and red. So by explaining about them, easily others will understand. That is the importance of user experience. So a web page is nothing but combination of UX and UI. Okay, user can interact here. For example, I want some soap. See there, I can type here. So that what I am doing, I am interacting. How? By typing. After that, by clicking here. What I am doing, I am interacting. Or else here also, by hovering on it, what I am doing, I am interacting. So that this all these things are coming. Understand that? So by seeing this, I am experiencing something. So that I am clicking. So that what is happening, I am interacting. So that the related functionality is working. So that's why I'm telling a web page is nothing but combination of UX and UI. Is this point clear, everybody? Hello? Right. So whenever any software company starts a project, directly they don't design this web page by writing some HTML and CSS code. For example, you want to construct a home. Directly you will construct home, or else you will first of all write a plan. You will first of all draw a plan by the help of an engineer. We will draw a plan. With the help of that plan, only yeah, with the help of that plan only, we will plan the structure and we will order the material and we will recruit the people to complete that building. Right, everyone? Directly we cannot do it. Like that, whenever any software company people, okay, wants to develop an application, directly they don't design the HTML and CSS code. They don't write the HTML CSS code. Okay, so what they will do, first of all, they will design that structure in Photoshop or else CorelDRAW, okay, or else Illustrator, whatever the graphical tool they're convenient, they will design a wireframe. Okay, so wireframe means what? A plan. For example, see here, I will explain here. Wireframe is nothing but plan. For example, if you observe here, icons, wireframe. So whenever they want to start a software company, whenever any software company start a application, first of all, what they will do? They will design a wireframe. Wireframe is nothing but plan for our application. Plan means what? Where header part will come, where sliders will come, where search box will come, where menu will come, where the where the products will come. All those plans I will design. Okay, as a UX designer, who will design this? UX person, UX employee. Okay, so he will fix the places, logo, icons, notification icons, all those things. Clear it, everybody? Hello. Okay, so first of all, he will design this plan. Then after what he will do? He will send this plan. He will send this plan. Okay, he will send this plan to the client. Okay, yeah, who designed this plan? Yeah, that's what I'm telling, right, Mohidin? UX designer, UX, user experience person, graphic designer in general terms we can call. Okay, Mohidin, UX, user experience person. Okay, right. Okay, UX person will design this. So then after he will send this to the client. If he understand the structure and if he okay with this placings, then what the client will tell? Okay, convert this into markup. Markup means like a brochure. For example, you want to purchase a home. You are not constructing a home right now. Okay, you want to purchase a home in a good area. That means where schools is near to your kids, where multiplex are available. That means movie theaters are entertainment things. Shopping complex are available very near. Fruit, vegetable market is near. So in that area, there is some area in the Hyderabad. So in that area, you want to purchase a home. So that building is not completed. They are just started. Only 6 months is completed. Again, it will take 6 months time to complete that home or else your flat at least. So what you will do, directly you will purchase? No, though you like that area, you don't purchase. What you will do? You will ask the realtor for the plan. After that plan, you will ask for a brochure, right? How your flat will look like, how your home will look like outside. Then after entering the home, how it will look like individually. What is how hall will look. Then after how kitchen will look, how master bedroom will look like. Then after how second bedroom will look like, washrooms how it will be, balcony how it will be. All those things you will see it individually, and then after combination also you will see. So how they are developing through a brochure. Understand it, everybody? Respond, please. So by seeing that brochure, you will get a conclusion. Okay, you can purchase it home or not. Understanding or not? Respond, everybody. Ashish and Mohidin, you are not responding. Yeah, Mohidin, you are responding. Ashish.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. So by seeing that, you will understand. Okay. By seeing that brochure, you will understand. Okay, whether to purchase or not. So here also, what he will do, he will ask to design a mock-up. So mock-up means what? Exact images in the exact places. Okay, both I have opened the same thing. Sorry, mock-ups here. By the way, UX is not integrated in the course. That is not included in the course. UX is separate course. Okay, that is not part of this course. That is most of the time. That is graphical things only. Illustrator, CorelDRAW, Photoshop, we need to use it. That is not included here. Okay, right? I'm confirming. Just for knowledge purpose, I'm telling this. Right now, see it. Same plan, but exact colors, exact images in the exact places. See it by seeing these icons. We are experiencing something or not? See it. Respond, please, everybody. Okay, so here we can find the location of this restaurant. If you want to book a table, we need to click here. And if you, whenever you click on this prices list or anything, we can find here. Whenever you want to register also, login also, we need to click here. And if you want to go to the main menus, we need to click here. And if you want to search anything, we need to click here. We are experiencing something. And observe this products area. By default, they are displaying only two items. What is that? Item name and restaurant. But whenever you over, they are displaying four things. What is that? Item name, restaurant name, price, and order now. Clear it, everybody? And then after, they are displaying the reviews. So this is the reviewer image. This is the content. And then after, footer. Again, vertically two sections. Very bottom of the page, copyrighted related things. On the left side, this thing. Sorry, above that, left this thing. Left side, middle, right side. Clear it, everyone? Kindly respond. Okay, right. So if the client is satisfied with this designing, if the client is satisfied with this designing, okay, then he will ask us to convert this web page, this markup into a web page. So to convert this markup into a web page, we need to use HTML and CSS technologies. HTML and CSS technologies. Say this is the web page. Set everybody location, book a table, coins, that means prices, or else wallet related things. Login and sign up. Here, see it. Can you search here in this image? Respond, Ashish. Can you able to search here in this search bar in the image?
No, sir. No, sir. No.
No. But here you can interact.
You can do it.
You can type.
Yes.
Okay. But of course, server-side programmers has to retrieve the data, but that is different task. But actually, you can enter some data and you can click here also. Okay. So this is what you are interacting. Not only this, you are overing. That means you are interacting. Everything. Whenever you over, whenever you scroll up, scroll down. Okay. Or else whenever you click something, you are interacting with the application. And by seeing these icons, you are experiencing something. That is also user experience. So a web page is nothing but combination of user experience and user interface. Clear it, everybody? And icons also, we need to choose appropriate icons. See it, book a table. In a classrooms also, we have a table. Right, everybody? But that related tables, they are not keeping here. Only restaurant related tables they are keeping here. Clear it, everybody? Kindly respond. Okay, right. And the drinks, say beer and whiskey also drinks only, but they're not keeping here any alcohol related drinks. Why? This is only restaurant, not bar and restaurant. So that's why they are displaying here milkshake related glasses only. And the starter, see there, they are displaying here strawberries. Nobody eat kilos and kilos strawberries, right? Okay, so 5 to 10, 10 to 15 they will eat something like that. So that's why they are writing as starters. And main course, see it, they are displaying like biryani. See, course means you are also joining my course, right, everybody? So that's why I'm not displaying here any material related things. What I need to do, main course means whenever you are going to the restaurant, main course means what? Big item. So that's why they are displaying here. That means stomach full item. Main course means what? Stomach full item. So they are displaying these biryanis. So veg related things and again non-veg related things. These things. So everything we need to have a purpose. Every icon we should have a purpose. So the UX designer, we must have the more common sense how to convert our business requirements into business application, and he has to know which colors are suitable. He has to know which icons are suitable, where you need to keep the icons. First, which icon I need to keep? What is the purpose? All those things he should have a purpose, and he should have some clear knowledge. Clear it, everybody? Respond, please. Hello. Okay, right. So this is a web page. This is the web page. So this is a markup and this is a wireframe. So to create this wireframe programmatically, we need to use HTML. To create this markup, we need to use HTML plus CSS. So finally, we will get this output. HTML plus CSS means web page. Okay, HTML plus CSS means a web page only. Clear it, everybody? HTML plus CSS means a web page only. Okay, right. This is about this. So to convert this web page into responsive, we need to use Bootstrap technology, right? So okay, right. This is about this. Now coming to previously, Mohideen asked one thing, sir, any template, something like that. So yes, not this template. This is not responsive. I'm going to design another template in this course. What is that is? I want to display it for you. A responsive template by using HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. I have designed this a responsive. See, this is our template we are going to design in this course. Okay, see it, you are observing these fonts, right? This is not regular CSS3 fonts. They are third-party fonts, Google fonts. That means I will tell you how to utilize the third-party fonts also. And if you observe here, this icons, right? So this is also image. That this is not image. Yes, these are also third-party icons. That means I will tell you how to utilize the third-party icons also, especially font awesome icons. Okay, and whenever you observe here, this image is not moving. Rest of the image is rest of the application is moving, but not this image. This is called parallax effect. So that means I will tell you how to create this parallax effects also. And if okay, right, not a WordPress exactly, a template, a professional template. Okay, Mohideen, right. And this is projects. Okay, we'll write the code in WordPress. Automatically template will come, right? But here we'll write the code. Okay, right. And projects, that means projects, that means some projects related images. And the team, this is also third party icons, font awesome icons only. And the slider, see it, say here image sizes are not same, that's why it is coming with a zigzag order, but in real time they will give equal size images so that you will get proper images. Okay, right, no need to worry about that. And then after a form and a Google map, how to integrate your office address in your application. All those things I will display here. Clear it, everybody? Respond, please. And this is a responsive web page. Okay, this is what a responsive web page. Responsive web page means depends upon the browser size and depends upon the okay device size. Automatically should adjust the alignment. For example, see it, I'm reducing the size. Automatically web page alignment is adjusted or not? Respond, everyone. Previously you are able to see complete menu, but now only you are seeing menu icon. See it, whenever you click it is coming, whenever you click it is going, and this how it is coming. And observe here skills. See, whenever you decrease, it is coming only one column, but whenever, yeah, mobile compatible, yes, my dear. But whenever you are increasing, there is two columns, and button size also decreased. See it, whenever you decrease, button size is increasing. That means depends upon the device size, it is increasing also. And again you stretch, it is coming 4 columns now. And in this size, it is coming 2 columns per row. But whenever you decrease, one by one, see it. Still it is not moving. And projects here 3 columns. But whenever you decrease, that means in the tablets, sorry, smartphones, they are coming 2 columns only. This is team section is coming 1 by 1, but whenever you increase, they will come 3 columns. See it. And slide also adjusting. See it depends upon the size, it is adjusting. And this one also it is adjusting. And whenever we decrease still, it is coming like this, 1 by 1. Understand it, everybody? Adjusting or not? Alignment. Response clear, okay? So this is what response web page. This is the template we will design. Okay, not only this, whatever I teach, everything is in practical manner only. Okay, everybody, see it. Now, say somebody, they will just display the course content, but they don't display the examples. But here I am displaying the examples also. This is one of the examples. And not only this, see it, positions, relative and absolute. This type of things, all real-time stuff only. See it. See it now, whenever I'm scrolling, this menu is not moving. Position fixed, okay? Yeah, audio and video is very simple. Yeah, that also I will tell you. Okay, Mohideen? Right, see it here, audio and video. Yeah, see it. Video, audio file is not available in my computer. So, but syntax and all those things I will tell you. Okay, right, see it, video tag. Okay, right. And then after animation, see it. Wait some time, it will come. That's it, okay? Right. And everything, position also, and then after flex examples also I will tell you. See it, which is very latest. Flex examples, that is also I will tell you very clearly. Not normal things, okay? Very clearly I will tell you. And then after position relative and sticky, see it, sticky. Before moving, okay, whenever I'm scrolling, it is moving. But once it touches the viewport, that means it touches the browser top part, it doesn't move, see it. Is it moving now? No. But before touching, it is moving. But after touching, it doesn't move. Clear it, everybody? Position sticky. Clear it, everybody? Okay, pseudo selectors, all those things. Transforms, Q, see it. Mastercard effect, something like that. See it. Okay, here also. An overlay. Not only this, and absolute car example, see it. Whenever you hover, it is zooming without disturbing this. And whenever you hover here, it is converting as a square. And by using border and border radius, everybody complete within 1 or 2 minutes only. But see it, by using border and border radius, we can make this many shapes. By using pure HTML CSS, I made this many shapes. Understand it, everybody? Hello? Respond, please. Right.
Sir, understood.
And the chessboard also. With less amount of code, we are creating a chessboard here. Okay, right. And not only this, see content alignment, this paragraph effect, notebook effect, you know, right? Image will come and then after paragraphs will come. So up to image occupying area, it will come this much size only. After that, it will occupy entire parents width and background image. And see it, it is coming little bit pop out. Coming right, everybody. Okay, right. Not simple things. Okay, everything we will complete with a perfect example. And flex related things also. Yeah, JavaScript jQuery also in the same way. Okay, everybody. So this is what I will teach everyone. Clear or not? Respond, please. And then after some third-party library, third-party plugin also you can observe here. See it whenever you hover, see it. How to utilize the third-party plugins, that is also I will tell you. This is, we don't write programming, understanding my point. In real time also we need to utilize the third-party libraries only. So how to integrate third-party libraries in our application, that is also I will tell you. Clear or not? Respond, everybody. Hello. Amazon, yeah, okay, Amazon or Myntra, that type of things, you will find it. This is jQuery zooming plugins. Okay, very useful in the real time also. In real time also, you don't write code. It will take months and months. So that's why they will use third-party fonts only. Okay, sorry, third-party libraries. I will tell you how to do this also. Clear it, everybody? Respond, please. Hello? Right. Okay, everyone, in jQuery also first, last, next, DOM traversing methods, and you can observe here accordion menu. By using jQuery, we write the code for this. I will tell you how to do this. Okay, this type of things, and then after drag and drop also there. Wait 1 second. See, drag and drop, see it. This is jQuery UI, third party library only. Understand it, everybody? And this is gradient colors. Okay, this is the linear gradient and this is radial gradient. So this type of things also I will explain you. Yeah, see it, one more magnifying example. See it, everyone. Third party library only. Understanding or not? Respond, please. Okay, right. This type of real-time works only I will teach here. Okay, and coming to JavaScript, see it, all the latest things only, async and await, array methods, however I will teach, and call up and bind methods, closures concept, cookies. Okay, right. And then after difference between varlet and const keywords, different types of methods. That means normal function, anonymous function, lambda expression, and filter method. Then after for each loop, for loop, everything. See it, for loop, how many examples I'm telling? For each loop. Okay, and then after map method, element selectors like a get elements by class name, tag name, and hosting, inner text and inner HTML. Then after keyboard events, length property, local storage, map method, objects. Okay, promises, especially query selector all, session storage, set interval, clear interval, set timeout, clear timeout. See, whatever the course content is there, for everything I am writing here the okay examples also. And this file will contain the nodes also. For example, if you observe here, this is the page, right? If you open with Notepad++, you will get the code as well as you will get the notes also here in the form of comments. So that this is practical, this is theory. Both are available in the same page. This is how we will teach. And these files I will share with everybody after making payment. Clear, right, everybody? Respond, please. Okay, right.
So,
So
sir, you're going to share. Sorry.
Yeah.
You're going to share it, right? All these things.
Yeah, after making payment, I will share this with everybody. Okay, videos also I will share with everybody after making payment. Okay, right. So yeah, that's it, everybody. This is how I will teach. Okay, this is what I will teach in this course. So tomorrow onwards, we'll start the technical elements. That means what is HTML, what is CSS introduction, what is HTML, what is its introduction, what is CSS, what is the introduction. Then after, okay, we'll I will discuss all those technologies. Clear it, everybody. Tomorrow onwards, we'll start the. Yeah, Mohit, I will tell Ajax also. Ajax is simple technique only. I will tell you that. Okay, right. That is not a big thing actually. That is not a library or a framework. Just there's a technique. I will tell you definitely. Okay, in the last. That means after completion of JavaScript and jQuery only you can understand it. And moreover, whenever you are working with server-side technology, that will be more useful. Generally, at that time only you will understand it very clearly. But I will tell in client-side level also. Okay, Mohit, and others also. No, sorry, Muhammad. Okay, right. No, hosting is not. So what is it? See, XML is, why are you asking about XML? That is different thing. Okay, XML is not included. So XHTML means HTML4 only. So yes, that is also will be covered. Okay, right. Okay, Shubham, right. Shubham, how to host the whole website? That is not thing here. Okay. Right. Hosting is I don't teach here, Mohiddin. In real time also nobody will ask, will expect from the hosting knowledge, because in the companies if they everybody will give that to the senior employee only. So if any necessary is there, that senior employee will guide you how to host it. Okay, that is not a big drawback. That is not a drawback for the fresher. Okay, so hosting all those things they will train you. Okay, right? Because every server has its own process, so they will train you. Okay, no need to worry about that. Yeah. Any doubts? So one more time telling, hosting is not, I don't tell it here, okay? That's what, right? This is what real-time project means, right? Template, right? All these are real-time examples only. This is what I will teach, okay, Mohammed, okay? This is also all those things real-time scenario only I'm teaching. And this template also, see it? All those things are useful in the real time. See, Muhyiddin, every company they will develop, they will write different codes. Okay, as a fresher also, as an experienced person also, you need to understand the core concept of the topics. Then only you can develop number of templates. So I will make you perfect in the core concepts. And for example, for under better understanding purpose, I will tell this type of template only. Okay, right. And these examples also. Okay, right. Yeah, that's it, everybody. So tomorrow onwards, we'll enter into the technical stuff. Okay, what is HTML, what is CSS? Tomorrow onwards, I will tell you this. Okay, right. Thank you, everybody. We'll meet tomorrow and we'll continue. Okay, yeah. Bye, everyone. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Yeah, thank you, everybody.
Right. In the last class, we have successfully discussed about what is UX and what is UI, what is the difference between them, and all those things, basic things we have completed. Nothing related to subject. So whoever attending today, please don't worry. Those videos also available. After joining my class, I will get that video also. Now today, what we the thing we are going to discuss is, because yesterday also, day before yesterday also, same topics I have discussed. Okay. So now today, what is the thing we are going to discuss is, we are going to discuss about introduction of UI technologies, HTML and CSS. First of all, we'll complete the HTML introduction, then we'll go to the CSS. Okay, everybody, right? So why we need to use these HTML technologies, HTML CSS, to create a web page, okay? So before going to that, so who developed the HTML, what is the purpose, all those things we will discuss. Okay, so this course is UI technologies. So what is the topics involved, what are the technologies I will cover in this course is HTML version 5, CSS version 3, Bootstrap version 4, JavaScript, jQuery. So these are the 5 technologies we are going to learn in this course with practical knowledge. Okay, everybody, right? Now today class we are going to discuss about introduction of HTML. If there is time, we will discuss about the introduction of CSS also. Clear, everyone? Kindly respond. Hello.
Sir.
Okay, right. So now, first thing is, who developed this HTML? What is that? Who developed HTML? Okay, right. Who developed HTML? Who developed? Tim Berners-Lee. What is that? Who is this? Tim Berners-Lee. He developed HTML. He developed HTML. Clear it, everybody? Who developed HTML? Tim Berners-Lee developed HTML. Okay. Then what is the purpose? For what purpose? What is the purpose of HTML? What is the purpose? To create web pages or websites. By using the web pages only, we will create a website. To create web pages or websites. Clear it, everybody? To create web pages or a website. That is the purpose he developed this HTML language. Clear it, everybody? Respond, please. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Right. So then after, what is the purpose of a website? What is the purpose of a website or a web application or a web page. What is the purpose? Respond. What is the purpose? To share information across the world. That is the purpose. Okay. To sell entire models. For example, Amazon. In the Amazon, you can purchase the products. So that means they are selling. Okay. Not only that. For example, Wikipedia. What are you getting in the Wikipedia? Information. YouTube. What are you getting? Information. In Wikipedia, you will get the information in text format. Understand it, everybody? In Wikipedia, we are getting the information in the text format. In the YouTube, you will get the information in the video format. In some other websites, so many these things, psychology related websites or something like that, you will get the information in audio format. They will give counselings to online also in audio format. Or else any music websites. Previous days, everybody downloaded the music, audio songs also. How they are getting in audio format. So whatever it may be, okay, what you are getting in the internet, information is nothing but data. So that's why every mobile company tells data plans like that. Internet means data only. Okay, we'll get the information, or else we can sell our products through entire world. Understanding or not? That is the purpose of website. Respond, everybody. Is it clear or not? Hello.
Yes, it's clear.
All right. Only Vamsi is responding. Humphrey, Nitesh, Pawan, Swapnil, you are not responding. Respond, everybody.
It's fine, sir. We can get you. Thank you very much.
Yeah, right. So what is the purpose of website? To share information across the world, or okay, to sell the products across the world, or else communication also. Okay, see, there is a website also there, and there is a web application also there. Okay, website means what? Only information. For example, I have an institute. Assume like that. Okay, so what I will do there? Nothing more. Just whatever the batches I have, I will keep it. When the new batches will start, I will keep that information. And if you want, I will simply put a contact us form. That's it. So what is that? Website. Just you will find basic application. Basic information only. Basic information only. Web application means what? We can interact with the application. For example, Wikipedia. That is not just a website. That is a web application only. Why? Because you can interact also. You can add your data. You can edit your data. Okay. If you want to modify any other data, that is also you can do it. Yeah, it's okay, Nitesh. Okay, right. So whenever whenever you are interacting more with the application, that comes under web application. For clear understanding, for example, Facebook, that is just not a website, that is a web application. Why? Because you can make video calls, you can make audio calls, you can chat with your colleagues, you can see their profiles, and you can send friend requests. Okay, and you can if you want, you can promote your business also. So what are you doing there? You're interacting more. So that is just not a website, that is a web application. And YouTube also, you can create your own YouTube channel, you can post and everything, that is a web application. Not only that, all the job portals means Naukri.com, timesjobs.com, careerbuilder.com, that's the type of things. What you are doing there, you are just interacting with the application more. That means you are getting the information. Whoever posts the job, you are getting that information. If you want, you can apply it. Okay, or else okay, or else if you are in HR, you can pay some amount and you can download some resumes. Okay, so there is business involved also. So that is a web application. So if you want to create a website also, web application also, okay, we need to use this HTML language only. Start designing purpose and says as well. For designing purpose, we need to use this thing only, HTML and CSS. So what is the purpose of a website or web application? To share the information across the world. Okay, in the job portal also, what are you getting generally? Information only. Okay, here there is a ABC company. He wants some particular language programmers. So that what are you doing there? You are applying for it. So finally you are doing information. Through resume also, what are you doing? You are sharing information only. What is your experience? What is your current salary? What is your hobbies? What is your technical skills? And everything, what are you sharing? your information only through resume, through job portals. In the resume, through job portals. So whatever it may be in the internet, actually we'll share the information. Information nothing but data. So just because of this great person Tim Berners-Lee, entire world is able to communicate with each other. Suppose you are also communicating with me because of internet only. Understanding? Right. So that is the advantage of this great person. Okay. Right. This is what he contributed to the world. Okay. Right. Suppose I have designed a web application. Suppose I have designed a website. So can everybody in the world can see this? Respond everybody. I have created a website in my computer. Everybody in the world can see that website or not? Respond everybody.
No, sir.
No, actually no. Why? Because if you design a website in your computer, only you and your friends, whoever able to access that particular computer, only that person can able to see that, not entire world. Okay, if you want to display your website to the entire world, we need to purchase two things in the internet. What is that? One is domain name. Domain name is application name. See, each and every human being should have a name. By using that only we can call. For example, Humphrey, okay, Nitesh, Pawan, Shubham. What are you? That is your names only. If I want to call particular person, I can call it. I can call with that name only. Like that, whenever you want to interact with any application, that should have a name. For example, Facebook, Twitter, like that. So every application should have a domain name. Domain name is that only. Facebook.com, Twitter.com, Google.com. Those are all domain names. So we need to purchase domain name. So before purchasing, whoever sells that domain, they will ask, okay, what is the domain name you want? You need to type there. If it is available, then only they will give it to you. Or else you need to go for any other name. Understanding, right? Right. Like that, you need to purchase hosting space. Why? Because in order to develop an application, we need to write so much code. In the entire code also you don't write in a single page. For example, home page, we will write home page related code, about us page related code, services page related code, contact related code. Understanding, right? So we need to divide that application into pages. And all the pages, what we need to do? We need to move to the server. That is called hosting space. Okay. So hosting space is nothing but a space in your computer. See it in the D drive. You can create your own folder here. And you can save all your files. Then what is the thing you need to do? Same files you need to move to the server. The server also nothing but computer, but it has a more memory so that everybody in the world can communicate. So in that server, you need to purchase some space. That is called hosting space. So bigrock.com, godaddy.com, Google also sells some space. Yahoo also sells some space, hosting spaces. So you need to purchase this space from them only. Understand right my point? Respond everybody. Okay, right. So in order to share the information, we need to purchase two things. So that is the point I'm writing. How to share information across the world. To share information across the world, we need to purchase two things in the internet. Internet means server only. One is domain name. For example, http://www.google.com. This is the domain name. Okay, right. Then after hosting space, we need to move all our application related files into hosting space. Okay, into hosting space. That means hosting space is nothing but which will hold our code in the internet. Understanding my point? Respond everybody. It will hold files in the internet. Understanding or not? Respond everybody. Ashish, Humphrey, Natish.
Yes, sir.
Cover. Okay, right. Okay, so we need to purchase it there on hosting space. Okay, so that's why domain name is very important. That should be unique only. Okay, that should be unique. Domain name is like our roll number in the school, in the college also. See, we have multiple names also. There are so many Humphreys in the class. There are so many Ashish in the class. We have baby. But that's why what teacher will do for each and every person, he will assign, okay, a particular roll number. So that if they want to call any particular person, they will call with that roll number. So that only that person will react. In the same way, everybody has some thoughts. So some thoughts will be similar also. Some people will get same names only. So that's why one application should not disturb the other application. So that's why before registering the domain name, they will ask you what is the domain name you are expecting. If that is domain name is available, then only they will assign it to you. Or else you need to go for other website, other domain name. Okay, like that, we need to purchase hosting space. Okay, you need to purchase hosting space. So whenever the user typed there domain name in the browser URL bar here, ch, this is the URL bar. Okay, if anybody types here your domain name, then automatically the files from this hosting space will call automatically. The files from this hosting we will call automatically. Now respond everybody. Automatically files will call, right? But not all files. Which file will call automatically? Can you do you know which file will call automatically? Do you know? Whenever user types domain name in the URL bar, one file will call automatically from the hosting space. What is that file name? Do you know? Respond everyone. Do you know that? Index.html. What is that? Index.html. So that's why every application should have only one index.html. So whatever you want to display, whenever the user type it there, your domain name in the URL bar. Okay, so that file name you should give as index, and according to that you need to give the extension also. .html, .php, .asp, whatever it may be. For example, if you observe here, Amazon.in, see it? You are seeing this information or not? Respond everybody. Respond everyone. Don't be silent.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is this? This is the home page of Amazon.in. So how this is coming automatically? Because for this home page, they have given us index. Understanding my points? They have given the name as index. So that's why whenever any user type it there, Amazon.in in the URL bar, automatically we are getting this information. We are getting this particular page on. Clear it, everybody? So they have given this as index.html. See it. Okay. Suppose I want to purchase some other things. What I will do? I will want to purchase this travel needs or else this mobiles. What I will do? From this home page only, I will navigate to any other particular pages. Okay. Suppose see here, I am navigating or not. Respond everybody. So this is the home page, is the heart of the application. From that only it will navigate to any other page in the application. Clear it, everyone? This is how we will develop an application. Respond. Are you understanding or not?
Yes, sir.
Humphrey, Humphrey, you're not responding. Please respond. Nitesh.
I'm understanding, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm following.
Yeah. Because my English is Indian English, right? So maybe it will be difficult for you. That's why I'm asking. Okay? Right. So
I'm okay, boss. I'm okay, sir.
yeah, right. So that's it. Okay, right. Hosting space. So this is about the hosting space also. So every application requires two things: domain name and hosting space. Whenever user typed your domain name in the URL bar, that related files will call from the hosting space. Mainly index.html. Every application should have index.html or else that relevant technology. So from that home page only will navigate to any other page in the application. So this is how it will work. So where we need to purchase server, right? Where we need to purchase these two things: Internet means www. What is that? www. www means World Wide Web. Okay, right. There we need to purchase. So then, who developed www? Again, Tim Berners-Lee developed this. Tim Berners-Lee developed this. So what is www stands for? World Wide Web. World Wide Web. Okay, everybody? Right. www stands for World Wide Web. That's it. Clear it, everyone? That's one. So there we need to purchase these two things. So GoDaddy also, BigRock also, Google also, Yahoo also, they will sell the space in the www. Okay, World Wide Web. So all the computers are connecting to a particular computer. That is called, that particular computer is a server. Main computer will be there. From that, every continent it has its own main computer. From that, it has other servers. From that servers, everybody will connect. Okay, so mainly we are connecting to one particular computer only. That is called the server. Okay, right. There you need to purchase space. That space can be called as space. So who developed this? Again, this Tim Berners-Lee only. Tim Berners-Lee only. Okay, right. So this is the basic information related to internet. If these points are clear, everybody respond. What is the website also? How to share the information also? What is the domain name also? Hosting space also? What is www? Everything from the starting of the class to till now. Clear or not? Respond, everybody. Only Vamsi is responding. Others also respond.
Yes, sir.
It's clear for me as well.
Yes. Thank you. Okay. Right. So then after this one, coming to this HTML. Okay. Right. So what is the purpose of HTML? To create web pages. Right. So then after, what is HTML? What is that? What is HTML? HTML is a markup language which is used to, markup language means tag based language, which is used to create static web sites, static web applications also. Okay, right, web applications also. Okay, right, websites are web applications. Of course, web applications also, websites also we can develop with server side technology, but that server side technologies are used to get the information only. After getting the information, we need to write with proper structure. For example, see it, how is Amazon displaying with proper structure or not? So from where they're getting this data? From the database only. How they are retrieving? By using any server side technology, PHP, .NET, Java, whatever it may be, they will use. But after retrieving the information, what they will do? They will combine that with HTML, CSS. Then only they will give proper structure. Understanding? So static also, dynamic web application also, whatever it may be, to give proper structure to our data, we need to use HTML language only and CSS languages. So HTML is a markup language which is used to create, okay, website or web applications. That is correct. Whether it may be static also, dynamic also, we need to use HTML tags only. That is my intention here. Okay, right. So what is the full form of HTML? Okay, what is the full form of HTML? Hypertext markup language. What is it, everybody? Hypertext markup language. So now, what is the purpose of a language? Now I'm not asking about programming languages, general normal languages. What is the purpose of the languages? Generally, why we use a language? Respond, everyone. As per your knowledge, you can respond. Generally, why we use a language?
For communication.
To
Perfect.
communication.
What is that? for communication purpose. Okay, right. So what a language contains then? How will you communicate? You are telling that language is for communication. So how are you communicating? With the words.
By knowing the elements that are required to construct information in a manner that it can be understood using that specific language.
Right. Perfect. So in the say, okay, right. So what a language contains then? Alphabets. So how we are communicating? By sentences. How sentences are formed? Words. Okay. How words are formed? By using alphabets. So every language should contain alphabets. Okay. And by using that alphabet, they will define some predefined words. Suppose come here, go there. Come is predefined word in English. Here is predefined word in English. Go is predefined word. There is also predefined word. So by using that alphabet, they will develop some words. And by using the words, we can make sentences. Okay. So that is what a language contains. So alphabets, words, and sentences. And other than that, what a language contains? Grammar. What is that? Grammar. Okay. Generally, normal language has to contain that. And here also, why we are calling this HTML as a language? It has its own predefined keywords. Okay, it has its own predefined keywords. By using that keywords only, it can able to communicate with the web browser. Clear it, everybody? By using that keywords only, it is able to communicate with web browser. Understanding or not? So just because of that, we are calling it as a language? No, it has its own extension. Every language should have their own extension. For example, PHP has .php extension. Java has .java extension. .NET has .aspx extension. Python has .py extension. Like that, HTML also has .html extension. And not only that, whatever you are writing HTML language, you are going to use English alphabets only. But computer can understand the English, Japanese, Telugu, Hindi? No, it can understand only binary language. So something should be there to convert that English alphabets into binary language. So who will convert? Especially this is HTML uses interpreters. Understand it, everybody? So every browser should contain these interpreters. So no need to install these interpreters manually. For example, PHP that does not understand by the browser itself. So that's why we need to have Apache server. .NET also cannot understand. That's why we need to have IIS server. But by default, it will come along with .NET. But other OS, they need to install manually. So what they are doing, they are converting that into binary language, and finally that output they are sending to the web browser. That's why we are able to see the proper output. In the same way here also. Okay. Yeah. Please give me 2 minutes. I will drink some water. I will be back. Okay. Give me 2 minutes. Sorry. Yeah. Sorry. Right. So every other language, okay, PHP, .NET, those should have interpreters. That means servers. to convert their code into binary code. And finally, that binary code only they will send it to the browser. Sorry, that output, final output, they will send it to the browser so that we'll get output. But coming to this HTML, no need to install any server or anything manually. Okay, they will come along with browser. So browser also like our human body. What is our human body? What is our human body? Human body is nothing but collection of organs and connection between them. We have so many organs internally, and each and every organ is connected to any other organ directly or indirectly. Understanding, right? Okay, in the same way, every browser contains 3 interpreters internally. Those are all that interpreters are organs of the browser. Okay, and they have internal connection also. Okay, everyone. They have internet connection also, and that's why you are getting proper output. So how many interpreters every browser contains? 3 interpreters: HTML interpreter, CSS interpreter, and JavaScript interpreter. This is the main 3 interpreters. This is the only 3 interpreters we have in every browser. Other than this, we don't have any interpreter. So that's why PHP, .NET and other languages also, they should have their own servers to understand it by the browser. Clear it, everybody? Browser can understand only HTML, CSS and JavaScript only. Clear or not? Respond, everybody. Hello.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Right. And these 3 interpreters also different from one browser to any other browser. These interpreters also different from one browser to other browser. Like our human organs. Suppose there is A and B, 2 persons are there, and A got heart attack. So who should be operated? Who should be joining the hospital? A or B? Respond, everybody. A has, say, B has 2 different persons. Okay, both has hearts. Okay, like human body, humans only they are also. A got heart attack. So who should be joined into the hospital? Who should be operated? A only. Why? Because A has heart attack. So okay, both has heart, but who has the defect, that should be operated. So in the same way, though we have different browsers, okay, since they have different code to develop that interpreters, something will work in the Mozilla Firefox, something doesn't work in the IE. So what I mean to tell is, like our human organs, they are also individual. Each and every human body has their own organs. If it is affected, that particular person should be admitted into hospital. In the same way, every browser has 3 interpreters, but these interpreters are different from one browser to another browser. Okay, but there are 3: HTML, CSS and JavaScript, but they are different from browser to browser. Okay, and they are also different from one browser to another browser. Okay, so that's why something will work in the Mozilla Firefox. See, Mozilla Firefox is the most programmer friendly browser. How much latest CSS property, how much latest JavaScript method, how much latest HTML tag also, it will work there in the Mozilla Firefox. Okay, right. So that's why I prefer in the Mozilla Firefox, and Google Chrome also fast, and it also very updated. Okay, these 2 are the most programmer friendly browsers. Okay, right. So understand it, everybody? How browsers understand the HTML? Respond, please. So just because of this interpreters. Okay, so HTML has its own predefined keywords. HTML is communicating with the web browser, and HTML has its own extension, and HTML has its own interpreters in the browser. Okay, right. And HTML has its own grammar. That grammar in other languages we can call it as grammar, but coming to programming we'll call it as syntax. That syntax is markup tags. Markup tags means what? Less than and greater than. Yes, perfect. Okay, what is that? Less than and greater than. So whatever the predefined keyword may be related to HTML, whatever the predefined keyword related to HTML, we must write in the angle brackets. That is called less than and greater than. Markup tags means what? Angle brackets. Angle bracket means less than and greater than. So whatever the predefined keyword Related to HTML, we must write in the angle brackets. That means in the markup tags. Then only browser will understand that. So markup is the syntax of the HTML. Okay, are you clear about this markup and language? Respond finally. Ashish, Humphrey, Nitesh, Pavan,
Yes, sir.
everybody. Shubham, once okay? Right. Okay, right. Then after, what about this hypertext? What about this hypertext? So hypertext means structured data or else structured text. Okay, and not only that, we can provide hyperlinks to our data. For example, this Amazon. See it, everybody? You are seeing here some text or not? Upgrade your home, Amazon brands and home, and more. That's what everyone. Up to 45% off smart LED TVs, all those things. That's what everybody. So what is this? This is the text. And what are you seeing here? Images. Okay, text also you are seeing and images also you are seeing. So whether it may be text also, image also. What is this? Data related to this particular application. Now tell me, how is this data? Whether this data is with proper structure or not. Respond. Header part, menu part, then after slider, and 4 columns, and each and every column is with the equal size. See it? All the columns is with equal width and height. Respond, everybody. It is having with proper structure or not? Respond. Okay, right. So how we have it? How we have designed the structure? By using HTML and CSS only. Okay, by using HTML and CSS only. HTML will provide the internal structure. CSS will provide the external structure. Okay, right. So by using this HTML only, we are providing the structure. Okay, so we are providing the structure only. Okay, right. So not only this, we can provide hyperlinks. Hyperlinks means, suppose see here, I am clicking here. Am I navigating to separate page or not? Respond, everyone. Respond kindly.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, where I am in? I mean Amazon.in only. Yeah, I mean in Amazon, or else I went to Twitter or Facebook like that. Amazon only. Okay, so what is this can be called as navigation? What type of navigation? Internal navigation. What type of navigation? Internal navigation. So by using this hypertext language, we can provide internal navigation in the same application. Internal navigation means moving from one page to another page in the same application. Okay, we can provide hyperlinks to the data. That means, how I am coming to this page, I have given this page link to the previous image, and whenever you click here on this particular sofa, you will go to some other page. How you are coming to this particular page? Because this page URL, this page link you have given to this particular product. So how I have given this? By using hyperlinks. Okay, if you click on this text also, you will come to the same page. So that's what I'm telling. Hyperlinks we can provide to the text also, we can provide to the images also. So hypertext means what? Structured data. So whether it may be image also, text also, that is data only. We can style the image also. We can give you proper structure to the image also. We can give proper structure to the content also. That's why I'm telling it as structured data. Okay. So he's clearly telling, by using my HTML language, we can get clear structure to your data. Okay, so that purpose we need to use some predefined keywords. That keywords we must write in the markup tags. By using that keywords with that proper structure, HTML is coming. My language will communicate with the browser. So browser will give proper structure. This is the total abbreviation for the HTML. This is not just a simple 3 words. If you analyze it, you will get clear information about that language. Understand it, everybody? Next one, please. From starting of the class to today, everything is clear or not? Respond, everybody. Okay, yes. So that's it, everybody. This is about the HTML introduction. Okay, right. So tomorrow I will start the HTML classes. After completion of HTML, see, okay, then I will start the CSS. Okay, see, HTML and CSS most of the time we need to learn simultaneously. Okay, why? Because One is internal structure, one is external structure. For example, if you compare with your human body, what is your internal structure? Your skeleton. What is your external structure? Your body color, your mass, your muscles, okay, body type, body shape, and your dress also. Okay, suppose if you are moving, your dress also move or not, and whenever you are moving, your skeleton also move or not. Okay, like that. Why? Because your dress is depends upon your body depends upon your internal structure. So they have a relation. Like that, HTML and CSS has a relation. So okay, so basic HTML tags I will complete. Then after I will start the CSS. From then onwards, we will learn HTML and CSS combining. Okay, right. Once after page, yeah, videos and notes will be shared. Yes, that's it, Bhavan. Okay, right. So I will share that videos by Saturday. Okay, by me only it will be shared. Okay, right. By me only it will be shared. Okay, videos and files I will share by me only. Okay, right. Thank you, everyone. So that's it, everyone. This is the class for today. Tomorrow onwards, we'll implement some practical examples. On a daily 1 hour class, Monday to Friday only classes, Saturday, Sunday holiday. Yeah, course duration will be 2 months to 2.5 months something. Okay, because we have 5 technologies, right? Okay, right. 5 technologies, right? HTML, CSS, and the JavaScript and Bootstrap, right? Minimum it will take 2 months to 2.5 months. Okay, right. So that's it, everyone. This is the class for today. And yeah, thank you, Humphrey. And I don't have any pre-written material. I want to confirm whatever the notes is required, I will give it in the class itself. Okay, I don't have any pre-written material. Okay, right. Notes will be shared through the drive. Okay, right. Okay, right. Videos will be shared and files will be shared once payment has done. Okay, right. Videos are not downloadable; they are just watchable, but files are downloadable. Okay, right.